This station is participating in a test of the Illinois Emergency Alert System. This system was developed to provide information to the public during emergencies. This was a test.
Brent.
This is a required monthly test of the Emergency Alert System for the Yellowstone operational area.
This is a monthly test of the Global Weather and EAS Society's EAS relay network. This system is activated to quickly provide warnings during emergencies or to inform listeners of a group icon status change. Regular tests of the system are conducted on the first day of every month at 12:15 p.m. Central Time. Additionally, network participants may originate their own tests on a weekly basis, either at a scheduled time or random times throughout the week. Weekly tests originating from the network's squawk system are conducted once a week on random dates and times. The following tones will conclude this monthly test of the Global Weather and EAS Society's EAS relay network.
This is a coordinated test of the emergency alert system for broadcast stations in Hawaii. The regular monthly test of the live audio broadcast segment and all-hazard outdoor warning siren system for public safety will be conducted today at 11:45 a.m. from emergency management authorities. Hawaii's warning sirens are used to alert the public to any emergency that may pose a threat to life or property. The sound of the sirens is to alert residents to turn on a radio or television for information and instruction for an impending emergency. Instruction may also be provided by a cellular wireless emergency alert. Hawaii Emergency Management Agency recommends residents prepare an emergency kit of a minimum of 14 days of food, water, medical, and other essential supplies. Always be prepared. Sent from the Hawaii Emergency Management Agency. This concludes the test of the emergency alert system. We now return you to the regular station programming.